Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be finishing up the Chrysler 300. I've already filmed this video, and the car looks really good. But anyway, let's get into it. All right, so we brought the front bumper in. It is pretty nice and cured. So we're going to go ahead, start getting the grill thrown in here. Same with the trim and the lights, and get this thing buttoned up and back on the car. Alright guys, so it is the next day. Yesterday we got this thing tinted, so got this thing tinted up. Looks good. Now y'all seen it was a little hazy, but again it's cleared up really nice. This is my first time seeing it today, from the inside. Cleared up really nice. Got a few little water bubbles there, but those should go out for the most part. Back here, I still got that I want to squeegee down, like a water bubble there and over here. We'll work on getting those squeegeed out today as well, but they did clear up very nice. They are dirty, but we'll get them wiped down. Like I said, squeegee out, or try to squeegee out some of these little water bubbles and whatnot. But they look very nice. Look very good on the car too. But anyway, I'm gonna start by working on getting this front bumper together. Try to get the bumper on the car, hopefully for the last time. Get the fender liners in it. The fender liners are right there. We have in the back here, we have the seals for the fenders. Let's see here. There. Right there. So these go between the fender and the cabin. And then these are for the, actually I don't know what that's for. But we do have some radiator cover pieces. That might be what these are. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But anyway, I'm going to start by getting all of this stuff thrown back in the bumper. The harness for the bumper is over there. So I'm going to work on getting this thing together and getting it on the car. Alright, so we got the grill thrown in. You can see there. And we got the chrome pieces put in. Now that one over there, these cracked, these little pieces here. So we're gonna mix up a little bit of epoxy. We got one of them on, you can see there, but the other one cracked and fell off. So what we're gonna do with it, we're gonna mix up a little bit of epoxy, just kind of dab on it, on that one and the middle one, where that broke on there on the outside. Should be fine, but we're gonna do that just to be safe. And I'm actually about to throw the lights in. After that, we'll get the harness run around through here, and we should be good to go to throw the bumper back on the car. Alrighty guys, so we got the front bumper back on the car, all put together. Now we're working on putting the fender liners in and those little seals that go in there. We need to get some Christmas trees. So this is a Christmas tree that fits in those little standoffs right there. We need to get some of these, and then I bought this little kit a couple months ago or so, and we're going to use these to attach to the front bumper and to the rear. Now we're missing the little splash shield that goes back there, and it goes just back a little ways. We can pick one of those up at some point. That's not a big deal. So we need to get that, and then we also have some attachment points around here, and one here, one there, and then up front the little splash shield that we're also missing. We're going to get one of those at some point too. But anyway, we're going to run up here to the hardware store, try to find that stuff there, some of these Christmas trees, and come back, throw these fender liners in, and then that should be it. Those little plastic pieces that were in the trunk, I figured out what those are for. We're gonna have to pull the bumper back off at some point, put those in. Those are little like air dam pieces that go down through here, and I don't really know what their purpose is, but we need to put them on at some point anyway. There's one here, and then there's one over here. But anyway, like I said, we're gonna run up here, pick up some of those Christmas trees, and get these liners thrown in. Alrighty guys, we just got the fender liners back in the car along with those seals. So I guess well, now I need to get insurance on this thing, register it, and this thing will be ready for its first drive. So I'm actually gonna pull it out of here. We'll take a look at the car now that it's all back together, and we can get a good idea of the thing. But anyway, I guess we're gonna do that here in a second, and take a look at the somewhat finished product. All right, guys, so here she is. I'm super happy to see this thing like it is, for the most part, completed. Now, again, we still have to get a few little things for the car, but all in all, it's complete. So I guess I need to go in here, gather up some paperwork, do my reconstruction papers, get this thing assessed, get it registered, get insurance on it, and we can go for the first drive. So I guess with that being said, I'm gonna go in here and start on the paperwork stuff. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. We need to get an alignment, which I already knew that, because we replaced all the front suspension. So that'll probably be like the first trip. But here she is. It's been a bit of a road to get here, but anyway, I'm just happy as I can be, honestly. Almost 2.5 years I've had this car. Actually, a little over 2.5 years I've had this car. And, well, here she is. So, I'm going to step back here and give y'all a couple more angles of it. Now, we're not done with this car. Y'all should know that. I'd like to do some mods and stuff to it. I have those Azaras for it that we're going to get powder coated. I still hadn't said the color. I think it'll look pretty good on this car, but we still need to wet sand and buff the thing. It's filthy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's filthy from sitting out here and putting it together, and fingerprints and whatnot. But there she is. So guys, I guess I'm gonna go in here and get started on this paperwork stuff, and then we will end out the video here shortly. All right guys, so I got all the paperwork in here. So one issue, Copart messed up my address on the title, so hopefully that won't be too big a deal. But I got, like I said, I got all my paperwork in here. If you didn't know, for rebuilt cars, salvage title cars here in Arkansas, you got to have a affidavit of reconstruction. So I got that taken care of. I copied it, so we should be good. But anyway, I guess I'm gonna run to Conway, and well, I guess we'll probably end out the video here. So I'm gonna make him drive. I gotta edit this video, get it up. But anyway, if y'all have any vanity plate ideas, I'd really like to get a vanity plate for the car. So if you have any ideas for a plate, drop them down below in the comments. But it's like 3 o'clock, so we need to hurry. But anyway guys, I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a great day. It's a huge sigh of relief that this thing is finally finally done, and well, we're about to go make it official, get this thing insured, registered, and all that fun stuff. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.